Hello. How are you? Good morning. Okay, now tell me what we have learned in our last session. Do you remember? We have learned birds. So let's quickly revise it. Okay? This is a crow. Crow is black in color. This is a peacock. It has colorful feathers. It is our national bird. This is a sparrow. It is brown in color. This is a parrot. Now tell me, what is the color of parrot? Yes, parrot is green in color and its beak is red in color. This is a pigeon. It has small feet and small beak. These are ducks. Ducks are found in different colors and sizes. These are swans. Most of the swans are white in color. This is an owl. They live in tree hole. This is a hen. Hen gives us eggs. This is cuckoo bird. Cuckoo bird अपनी कू कू की आवाज़ के लिए पहचानी जाती है. Would you like to hear a story? I will tell you an interesting story about crow and peacock. Once there was a crow. He always thought God has given such beautiful colors to all the birds, and here I am, so black. One day, Crow saw some peacock feathers fallen on the ground. He thought, I shall put these feathers in my feathers, and then I shall leave the crows and become one of the peacock. He collected the feathers and put them in his feathers. He started walking like a peacock. He went to all the peacocks. It started drizzling. The peacock had spread their feathers and were showing off their dancing skill. Just then, some of the peacocks started singing. Crow thought, I too shall sing like the peacocks. But when he opened his mouth, out came the sound, cow, cow, cow. On hearing the sound, the peacocks were stunned. How did this crow come in between us? The peacocks got angry and they asked the crow to leave. The crow returned to his friends and told them that we should be happy in who we are. The moral of the story is, हम जैसे हैं उसमें हमें खुश रहना चाहिए. Now it's time for worksheet solution. In our first worksheet, you had to circle the birds. First, we have an owl. It is a bird, so circle it. Then we have a parrot. It is a bird, so circle it. Then we have peacock. It is a bird, so circle it. Next, we have an elephant. Is it a bird? No, it is not a bird. So we will not circle it. Then we have hen. It is a bird. So circle it. Next we have a rabbit. It is not a bird. So we will not circle it. And last we have a crow. It is a bird. So circle it. In the second worksheet, you had to match one bird with other bird of same type. First, we have parrot, then pigeon, then sparrow, then cuckoo, and then swan. So my little birdies, let's fly like a bird, and we will meet in our next session. Bye bye. See you.